Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a haul, just some things I've recently gotten in the mail. I kind of have a mixed bag here of things to share: nail care, hair care, skincare, and a little bit of makeup. Be sure to subscribe down below for 2 videos a week, and let's go ahead and hop into it. Okay, first up, I got some products from Nail Addict LA. They sent over a complete gel system for me to test out. They let me pick out a few colors of my choice. I got a base coat, a top coat, and a mini UV LED lamp. Here's the design of the lamp. You know that Apple mouse? It reminds me a lot of that, but it has these little fold down legs on the bottom, and you plug it in, little USB on this side, and you press the power button and it goes for 45 seconds. You can double tap it for 60 seconds. I am wearing the nail polish today. I am wearing the shade Candy, which is like a muted lavender purple. I really love it. I've been wearing it pretty much since New Year's Eve when I applied it. I'm still very new to gel nails and the technique, so I'm learning how to apply nice thin coats so I can get a really long lasting color. I did have a couple peeling incidents. I think it's because I didn't seal the tips. I also got Sandman, which is a very, very muted lilac grayish color. And then we have Sea, Swing, and Sun, which is like the perfect sandy nude. Nail Addict LA also gave me a discount code for you guys. It is a very generous coupon of 55% off any 2 polishes. It cannot be combined with other offers, but check it out in the description box below. And yeah, I'm really enjoying it so far. They have literally hundreds of colors, so something there for everyone. And I don't know about you, I live in California. Nail salons are not open in my area. Learning to do a solid gel manicure at home is definitely a life skill I'm trying to perfect. So check them out down below, Nail Addict LA, and definitely use my discount code if you decide to pick anything else. Next up is Moroccan Oil. They sent over this hydration hair set. So this is one of those hanging travel bags. Really love that. We have the hydrating shampoo and hydrating conditioner. I'm a huge fan of the original Moroccan Oil leave-in, and I really love the detangler, which I'm testing at the moment. And I love the body care, the body souffle, the body oil. Never tried a shampoo or conditioner. These are color safe and suitable for all hair types. Obviously a mini of the Moroccan Oil treatment. This size is perfect if you just want to try it out or if you're always on the go. I usually just keep the bottle and just refill it from my larger size so I can take it with me when I go places. Ooh, and then finally the Intense Hydrating Mask. Is this a rinse out mask? Yes, it is. Okay, so 5 to 7 minutes rinse. This is for medium to thick dry hair. High performance argan oil rich treatment that hydrates and conditions dryness to improve texture, elasticity, shine, and manageability. This looks really nice. Next up is the product that I bought for myself. I had some Christmas cash to spend and I thought I would just test this. I've never tried out this product. It's definitely one of those very internet famous beauty products. It's the baby foot. And this actually surprised me because I thought it was gonna be like the price point of a sheet mask. This was $25 and you get 1 treatment in this. So you put your feet in these little plastic booties, let the solution kind of saturate and soak into your feet. You rinse it off after an hour and then your skin begins to shed over the next 5 to 7 days. I've had friends tell me that like their feet will peel up to 2 weeks after the treatment. So I wanted to test it out firsthand, and yeah, you can kind of see on the back of the container. So it's a chemical exfoliant. So I'm gonna be testing this out. Let me know if you'd like to see a video on it. I think this could be really fun. Have you guys tried this? I definitely wanna know your experience, so let me know in the comments down below. All right, my friends at Derma E sent over a new vitamin C skincare set. They are all TSA approved sizes. You have a brightening cleanser, a concentrated serum, and an intense night cream. Plus it includes a silicone facial scrubber and this beautiful linen cosmetic pouch. If you've never tried Derma E, you can find their products at Ulta, Target, and at Whole Foods. They're one of my favorite natural skincare brands to recommend. They have so many great products. Recently, I used up their glycolic anti-aging cleanser. Really love that. It's like a gel-based cleanser. The brand is also entirely vegan and cruelty-free, so that's really nice. I need to check my back stock of products, but this possibly will be going in my next giveaway because I have a lot of Derma E products on hand. Make sure you're subscribed to my weekly newsletter and following me on Instagram so you don't miss the future giveaway announcement. All right, Dr. Zenovia sent over 2 more products and they've sent over almost every single thing in the line. I'm slowly incorporating them into my daily routine. It's really difficult with skincare. You can't introduce too many products at once, especially if you have sensitive skin like I do. So usually I just incorporate like 1 a week, kind of see how my skin's doing and then decide where to go from there. In this most recent package, they sent over the Retinol Recovery Eye Cream, Very interested to try this. I actually did a blog post this week on my favorite eye creams under $25 because typically I only wear eye cream during the day. And in that post, I explain more on why. So I don't like to spend a lot on eye creams. Looking forward to trying this out. I'm not quite sure the price point, but I will of course link this down below. So far, my favorites from Dr. Zenovia have been the Vitamin C Toner, which is really soothing. I really enjoy the peel pads. The peel pads are pretty tingly, but definitely manageable. And then I really love the nighttime ceramide moisturizer. Very, very hydrating. Love it for a night cream. Then we have the Inflammaging Night Repair Treatment. Helps reduce pore size and the appearance of puffiness. Ooh, this sounds interesting. This sounds like it's going to be a lot like the pore refiner from Paula's Choice that I really love. The one in the red tube. It's kind of like a serum, salicylic acid based serum that helps shrink pore size. So we shall see. I will definitely test this out and let you guys know what I think. Pop Beauty sent over some makeup. We have the Light Show eyeshadow palette. It looks like it's going to be a warm toned kind of sunsetty eyes kind of palette with lots of oranges, goldenrod yellow, coppers, bronzes, lots of really pretty warm toned shadows. And then they also sent over the Flash Shadow, which is a liquid eyeshadow, and it looks to be in the color Crushed Copper. I love these type of liquid eyeshadow products in general. Very, very easy, and they're very impactful. I have a lot of liquid shadows at the moment, but you know, they're 1 or 2 years old at this point. So it might be time to declutter those just because I have very sensitive eyes and I don't like using products that, you know, have a questionable expiration date status. So usually I'm pretty diligent about cycling my products out every year. If this works out well, it's gonna replace something else I have in my collection at the moment. These are also cruelty-free and vegan, and they come in recyclable packaging. So stay tuned for more on these. I will definitely be wearing these at some point and probably posting a look over on my Instagram. Last but certainly not least, we have Pixi. Pixi is super awesome. They always keep me well stocked on products. These are both holiday gift sets, but actually I have full sizes of many of these products, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these in a future giveaway, but they're super cute. So this first one is the Let's Glow Essentials Kit. This contains Glow Tonic, the Glow Mud Mask, the Glow Mud Cleanser, and the Glow Tonic Cleansing Cloths. Within this kit, Glow Tonic is my absolute favorite. The other products are not necessarily favorites of mine, but a great way to test out the Glow Tonic family and see if you like it. And then the second kit is the Multi-Toning Kit. This is awesome. In addition to the Glow Tonic, this set has the Milky Tonic and the Retinol Tonic. And they are 1.3 fluid ounce size. So again, also TSA friendly. And something in here for everyone. I really like the Milky Tonic actually. Have not tried the Retinol Tonic. It's been in my cupboard forever, but one day I will get around to using it. We have more than enough products to go around here, so this will also be in the next upcoming giveaway, so make sure you stay tuned for that. All right, friends, so there you have it. Those are all the products that I've recently got in, things I'm going to be testing out. If there are any specific reviews or products you want me to follow up on, definitely leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you again for watching. Be sure to subscribe down below, and I will see you very soon in the next one.